Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're just watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. So today we'll be discussing on text paragraph spacing. During the last class we discussed on this tab, so today we'll be dealing with this tab called paragraph. So under the paragraph we have the left align, the center, the right align, justify, line and paragraph spacing, shading, and so on. So if you want to start typing, you can see by default, anytime you're typing, your text is always starting from the left hand side. The reason is because this left align is the default setting. This left align is the default setting. Example. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, when I started typing, it started from the left hand side simply because this left align is active. Let's move to the next one. By the time you pass over it, you can only see the shortcut. So for center is Ctrl E. For left align, Ctrl L. For center, Ctrl E. For right, Ctrl R. For justify, Ctrl J. When I selected the center align, my cursor moved to the center, reason being that the center align is the one active. If I should press enter again, it's going to start from the center because the center align is still active. Enter. My cursor moved back to the center because the center align is still very much active. So let's take a look at the next one. My cursor moved to the right hand side. We have different books that are written from the right hand side. We have the Muslim books called Quran. The Quran is written from the right hand side. Even the Etirah is written from the from the right hand side. We have so many other books that are written from the right hand side. So that's it. Then we have justify. Justify. This is what we call justify. That is, after typing, you just have to highlight all your text and click on justify. So everything will justify the page. That is, arrange your work very well. So justify simply means to simply arrange your work very well. Example. You might be thinking, how did I get this text? Simply by typing is equal to round open bracket 3,3 close brackets. When you want to enter any formula, whether on Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, you need to start with an equal sign. You need to start with an equal sign. So equals to round open bracket 3,3. The 3,3 simply means how many paragraphs and how many sentences. The first three simply stands for 3 paragraphs. 3,3. I want 3 paragraphs, 3 sentences. How many paragraphs do we have here in this text? We have 3 paragraphs. We have paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. And how many sentences do we have in each of the paragraph? We have 3 sentences. This sentence 1, this sentence 2, this sentence 2, and this is sentence 3. Sentence 1, sentence 2, and sentence 3. Sentence 1, sentence 2, and sentence 3. So that's what it means by 3, 3. How many paragraphs and how many sentences? So to justify my text, what do? I need to highlight my text first. I need to highlight what I want to do first. If you want to make any changes to a text, what do? You highlight it first. You highlight it first. So now you have to highlight all your text and click on justify. So everything will get justified. So highlight all your text, Control A, and click on justify. As you can see, it's arranged my work. It helped me arrange my work. All this, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I love you. It was scattered, right? One was on the left hand side, the other one was at the center, the last one was at the right hand side. But when I justify my text, it arranges properly. So that's what it means to justify a text, to justify your work. It will help you arrange it properly. I hope I'm making sense. So let's undo the action. So, and to undo a particular action, you use the shortcut key Ctrl Z. So the next one here we have is shading. What shading means? What does it mean? Change the color behind the selected text, paragraph, or table cell. Change the color behind the selected text, paragraph, or table cell. If I highlight this text now and select this, I want you to observe what will happen. This one is text highlight color. This one will only color your text. It will only highlight your text. It will only highlight your text. But shading will highlight the whole paragraph, the whole sentences, while this one will just highlight your text from the first letter of your word to the last letter of your word. From the first letter of your word to the last letter of your word, while shading will color the whole sentences, the whole paragraph. What am I talking about? I want you guys to watch this. Why say highlighted? Because you need to highlight it. Then I select yellow. Can you see? It highlighted just the text. It's highlighted just from W and stopped at I. It started from W and stopped at I. So now, let's see what shading does. Come down here to shading. Do not forget I said if you should click this directly, it's going to give you the color that is presently on that. In the last slide, I told you if you should click here, the color you are going to get will be color red. So to choose any color of your choice, you must click the drop down button beside it. Same applies here. If I should click this bucket, it's going to give me color white. But I don't want color white. I want to select the color of my choice. What do? I select the drop down button. I click on the drop down button that's beside the bucket. Now select. So can you see now? When I selected this, it only highlighted the text. It only highlighted the text that is from W to I. But when you want to shade, when you select shading, it will highlight the whole paragraph, that whole paragraph, the whole line, the whole sentence. I hope you guys are getting me. There's a difference between these two. There's a difference between this and this. If I select this one, it will only highlight the text, just the text. But if I should select shading, the whole line will be highlighted and not the text alone. The whole line, that is the whole paragraph, that whole paragraph will be highlighted. As you can see, it started from W and ended at the ending of the paragraph. So a situation whereby you want to color a particular line, not a sentence, then you use shading. You want to color a particular line, not a sentence. You want to color the particular line. Okay, I want to color this line, this whole line. Shading. You see, because I want to color the line. This one here, we only highlight your text. We only color your text. But shading will color the whole line, that whole paragraph. So when you want to color a particular line, you use shading. While when you want to color your text, you use this here. So that's the difference between those two. The next one we have is bullets. Bullets are used when creating a list. Bullets are used when creating a list. Bullets are used when creating a list. Then you select any one of your choice. Anyone? Okay, let's go for this. If I want to stop the bullets, like if I want to stop the numbering, what do? I press enter, then one more time, enter, then to stop. I'll press enter and then enter again. You press enter twice, then to stop the numbering. So this is all about bullets. Just select any one of your choice. The next one here we have is numbers. Numbering. Select any one of your choice. If you want in Roman numerals, if you want in alphabets, or you want in let anyone. Let's just go for Roman numerals. The next one. This one is mostly used when setting examination questions. These ones, they are mostly used when setting examination questions. That's when you see one A. The A, we even have I. The one we have A. Under that A, you see CI. Two, we have A. Under the A, you see CI. So these ones are mostly used when setting examination questions. So that's it for today. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. Love you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comments. Bye.